Until Occupy Vancouver, the campaign was relatively tame, but it soon dominated. And now the end is near, with protesters facing eviction on Monday. But the question is, will they go peacefully? Here's CTV's Binder Sujan.
A sacred fire burns again 10 days after a court ruled it must go. Occupy Vancouver is facing another order. By 2 p.m. Monday, all structures must be taken down.
Well, I have a salmon tent here, so one of the strategies for me is to fill it with helium balloons and attach it to myself because they can't physically remove me.
City workers are issuing notices about Monday's eviction and offering help with packing.
The stuff that we take today, tomorrow, and up to 2 p.m. will be stored for 30 days in National Yard. After 2 p.m., then anything that we do acquire will be disposed of.
Those without homes are being offered help to find a place to stay, some vowing to remain at the art gallery.
I plan on locking arms with everyone else and sitting down. If they do arrest us, they'll just drag us away, throw us in a jail cell for a couple hours or more, and then release us.
Occupiers locking arms in California Friday were confronted by police in riot gear.
Don't shoot students! Don't shoot students!
When the university students wouldn't budge, they were pepper sprayed. Police made 10 arrests before backing down. That type of clash, what Vancouver's mayor wants to avoid. His way of dealing with the protest, fodder for the civic election campaign.
I don't think it's affecting us over the long term. I think people care about the big issues here in Vancouver.
I think what the Occupy issue has demonstrated is two styles of leadership.
Good morning. Victoria, please.
As the polls opened in Victoria, occupiers received an early morning wake-up call.
Just to let you know, it's past the 7 a.m. deadline of the Supreme Court. It's time to leave now.
Dozens of tents are gone or unoccupied. About 15 people refusing to go.
We don't have an enforcement clause as part of that court order. If there's not compliance to that court order, we'll go back to court next week.
In Vancouver, officers do have an enforcement order, leading to worries that Monday's deadline could lead to a showdown. Binder Sujan, CTV News, Vancouver.